Okay, in this topic, the last problem set for chapter 7 part 2, we're dealing with the inflation and interest rate. So one thing that we should know is the interest rate that we got from quote by financial institution, that's called nominal rate, right? Everyone know nominal rate. Okay, so this is not the real rate that it reflect your real purchasing power, because nominal rate is already include the inflation within itself. So um, the main component of nominal rate come from real interest rate or real rate plus inflation. Inflation. Okay. So with the inflation, this part that include in nominal rate, so that nominal rate does not reflect the real purchasing power of your total return, okay, of your return. So how can we eliminate this part out from nominal rate? There's two ways that we can do. The first way is called approximation way. You just basically subtract nominal rate, which is in here they use the big R, and subtract with inflation, which in here they use H. So you end up having the real interest rate, which they use here as small r. And the other way, which is more precise, it's called Fisher equation. You just apply this equation, which is 1 plus nominal equal to 1 plus real rate times 1 plus inflation, and whatever piece that you want to estimate, just solve this equation. Okay, so let's looking at the example question 9 together. So it said that the treasury bill currently pay 5.7. So this basically already include inflation because this is the quote rate. Okay, and inflation now is 2.9%. What will be the approximate and exact real rate of return? So to estimate real return, you just basically subtract nominal rate with the inflation, okay, which will be equal to 5.7 minus 2.9. So I get this one equal to 2.67%. That's the real rate, approximate. So that's the approx real rate. Now come to the exact real rate. So you have to find this by using the Fisher equation, okay, which is would be 1 plus nominal rate, which is 5.7%, equal to 1 plus real rate times 1 plus inflation rate 2.9%. So I get here 1.057 equal to 1 plus R times 1.029, and you just divide both sides by 1.029. So this cancel out, and subtract both sides by 1. So this cancel out. So R equal to 2.721%. Okay. Now question 10, just the same thing. You got real rate, you got inflation, and you were asked to find the expect treasury bill. So in the situation that the question doesn't say anything about the word approximate, if you don't see this word, okay, you have to always, if don't see, then use feature equation. Okay, so in order to find the nominal rate, so 1 plus r equal to 1 plus real rate 3.2%, which is 0.023, times 1 plus inflation 2.6%, which is 0.26. So I solved for r and I got it equal to 5.8832%. Okay, last one. You have an asset that has total return this percent, and inflation last year is this percent. What would be your real return, which eliminate the inflation and just reflect the real purchasing power? So in order to find this, just again plug information in the feature equation. So big R here is the return, total return that you earn, and this is inflation, which is S. So 1 plus big R, which is 0.17, equal to 1 plus small r, which you need to find, times 1 plus H, which is inflation, which is 0.032, and you solve for r, and you got this one equal to 13.7372%. Alright, so I hope this video helped you understand more about the nominal rate versus the real rate, okay, by excluding the effect of inflation out of the nominal rate.